Thanks for joining me. Jumping right in today, I'm going to make 2 Halloween journal covers. For this first cover, I really like the inside of this book, the kind of inside flap, and so I'm trying to keep that as I take the rest of the pages out. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my journaling adventures. I'm going to make 2 journals. This one is going to be a little bit more cutesy Halloween, and the other one's going to be a little bit more elegant Gothic Halloween. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to get this book torn apart, and then we're going to kind of reinforce the spine a bit. Here I am just laying down some Mod Podge and some thicker brown paper that I have to give the spine a little bit more stiffness. Since I ripped out the pages, it took away part of the paper that was the spine because it was just attached to the glue. So this is going to give it a little bit more rigid feel as well. Now that that part has completely dried, I'm going to put some more Mod Podge on, and I'm going to put this piece of, it's a fabric, but it's a very thin woven kind of paper feeling fabric, and it works very well for these spines. I actually pierced through that just a little bit, and so I'm going to use some of this flower tape. So this is some tape that you would use to wrap fake flowers, and it works very well to help kind of seal any cracks that you might have made in that edge of the spine and the bookboard. Then I just gave it a quick coat of black paint because I want the color to be consistent. So when I put this fabric down, none of the words from the title of the book show through the fabric. I just used Mod Podge to secure this fabric down, and it sticks fairly well to this bookboard. I decided I really liked this piece of black lace around the edge of the entire book. So I covered just the edge and I put the lace down directly in the middle so that the sides would be even, wrapping around both the front and the back of the cover. And the way the lace is, it has kind of a line down the middle, so I just followed that line, and then the little kind of circle patterns fell on either side of the book cover. Now that we can leave that book cover to dry, I'm going to start working on the second book cover. And I just have a yellow plain book cover here, and I'm going to go ahead and line that spine with the same red fabric just to make it a little bit more rigid. And I love this fabric because the Mod Podge basically goes right through it, so it really secures to the board. Then I'm just going to go ahead and finish painting this. I painted the whole entire outside black, and I'm just going to paint that little lip of yellow as well so that no yellow shows. Now I'm going to apply a coat of matte finish Mod Podge over the entire book cover face, and this will ensure that the paint won't chip and that it will have a nice smooth surface for what's to come. Next, I'm going to put on this little sheet of paper. I'm going to cut it down to size so it fits kind of a half of the front cover. And I'm going to glue it just on 3 sides. I just clean up the glue a bit, and then I'm going to place a heavy encyclopedia on it while it dries. Now I will cut the other piece of paper for the other side, and I'm going to fully glue this on. Next, I'm going to add some gunmetal colored paint. It's a metallic paint that is kind of darker than a silver. And so I'm going to add that just to the spine. And then I'm going to Mod Podge this piece of lace right over that as well. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, just so I know. After I get this lace on, I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece of X-ray vellum. It's of a hand, and this is going to fit in the pocket that I made on the front cover. Look how cute this is! Nice Halloween fabric. I kept the inside flaps, no holes through the paper, and it turned out perfect. Then we have our kind of gothic Hollywood journal. Very elegant, dark, with the hand x-ray. Do you love it? I love it. Thanks for joining me. Remember to hit that subscribe button. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Hit that playlist if you want to see more journaling from Tevil's Treasures. Bye!